really nice to see that so many of you have turned up to support the local couples competing. I think a few of them really needs your support. So it's important during the competition that you give them applause and you really cheer them on. And this is the first event that the Knut Erik production, which is me and my team, have done. So it's a little bit scary, but at the same time very good fun. If you have any comments about the event, things we can do better, you're more than welcome. Just Chief. Okay, double prize in the bar for you, my friend. So we are more than welcome to get feedback. As always, we have a couple more events coming up. We have a Kizomba weekend in November. We have the European Bachata Star, and we're talking more about that, coming up in December, and also the Nordic Salsa Experience. So we're really keen on getting feedback. We're trying to do something with the air. Today I was climbing up there and putting that fan up the curtains, and like with the fan, that was quite the scene. So let's see if that can help. So I'm doing everything I can to satisfy you, at least the girls. But back to the competition. We have an excellent host who will lead us through the different couples. That's my left hand in the production team. That's Jenny. A big applause for Jenny.